Hi, this is Jared Hamre with the Hamre Group at Rovithis Realty, and I want to welcome you to our newest listing here at 16 Pheasant Drive in beautiful Westfield, Massachusetts. Come on inside and join me on your own personal tour. Welcome inside. The first floor here features a wood-burning fireplace, a nice open floor plan, and a large eat-in kitchen. Upstairs on the second floor, you're going to find your master bedroom, master bathroom, and a large walk-in closet, along with 2 additional bedrooms. Next, join me outside. There's a few outdoor features that I'd like to share with you. Welcome outside. Here you will find an oversized deck, an in-ground pool that's fenced in, and a gorgeous koi pond. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 16 Pheasant Drive in Westfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this listing or any other listing, please contact the number below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.